Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel, Doing LBM Things. I'm LBM, and today we'll be detailing the engine of my F80 M3. This is also a special video because it is my first video on YouTube. So let's get started. First, let's check out some of the products I'll be using. So we've got hyper dressing from Meguiar, as well as the all-purpose cleaner. And we've got some spray bottles here. We'll also be using some brushes, Speedmaster. This is a brush that I use to clean the lug nuts on the wheels, so that should be more than sufficient to detail this engine. So I'll be using a power washer. This is a Kranzle 1122 TST I bought from Obsessed Garage. The pros is it's super fast. The cons are you've got to make sure that you don't spray too close to any electrical wiring to prevent ingress of water. This gives out approximately 1300 psi, 2.1 gallons per minute. The nozzle has been replaced, as well as the gun to a Mosmatic, and the nozzle I believe is a 40-degree nozzle, and it's stepped down so the aperture is a little bit wider than normal, so it's about 1000 psi overall. The most important thing is just don't spray too close. So there are two schools of thought. One, use low pressure. The other is you can use high pressure safely at a distance. The process, we'll be rinsing the engine bay, then we'll use the all-purpose cleaner, then we'll agitate with a brush. We're gonna rinse, apply the hyper dressing, and close it up. That'll be it. All right, let's go. Now we apply the hyper dressing. If I didn't mention it already, all links are going to be in the description where I purchased these products. These are not affiliate links. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I've got a lot more content coming. Going to be doing the rear differential, oil change, manual transmission change, as well as ceramic coating the rims. So stay tuned. All right, peace.